Did you know that Google Sheets can transform your data management experience? It's not just a spreadsheet tool, it's a game changer for organizing and analyzing data efficiently. Imagine simplifying complex tasks and boosting productivity with just a few clicks. Google Sheets offers powerful features that make data handling a breeze. Below, you'll find the formula bar for data entry and editing. Sheet tabs at the bottom help you navigate between different sheets in your workbook. Data manipulation is straightforward. Insert or delete rows and columns, or move them around to organize your spreadsheet effectively. Formulas are the heart of Google Sheets. They start with an equal sign and can perform calculations, manipulate data, and analyze information. Functions automate repetitive tasks. Use sum to add numbers, average for averages, and max or min to find extremes in your data. Utilize additional resources like Google Sheets training and help guides. These tools will support your journey to becoming a spreadsheet expert. By mastering these skills, you'll streamline data management and boost productivity. Google Sheets is your ally in achieving efficient and effective data handling. Let's continue this journey together. Dive deeper into Google Sheets and unlock its full potential. Your data management skills will soar to new heights.